It's a sake to me.
And it's
basically a sake Negroni.
Okay.
Negroni is gin, vermouth, and Campari. We're using gin. And the great thing about this drink is you can build it right in the glass. Don't need a shaker. And just add the ingredients to the glass, ice, and stir. Then...
Now, there's many different types of sake, so
yes.
do you want to explain?
Yes, this is... the sake I tend to like is a little drier and crisp and cold, which this one is.
Yeah, you can
I have no idea what that says, but they tell me it's sake.
There are creamy sakes. You can serve sake
they
warm
have
or
sweet
cold. Right. And
sakes.
this is, so you
just
want
like
a dry, crisp one when you go to your spirits and wine store. You want to ask for one that is dry and crisp, yes?
Yeah, it's like wine. You know, they make dry or sweeter types of sake. I like the dry and crisp one, especially for this drink. It doesn't get in the way of all the other ingredients.
And
now,
what is that?
Instead of vermouth, we're using another sort of fortified wine. This is called Le Lat Blanc.
They're both fortified wine.
Which means you have wine, then they add extra alcohol to it to preserve it and also gives it flavor.
And aromatics, different.
And different aromatics. Right. This is softer and a little sweeter than vermouth would be. I thought it would be a nice balance to the sake. And then instead of Campari, again, this is lighter and sweeter.
It's a lighter version of Campari.
This is called Aperol.
This is like Aperol Spritz. That's what you use the Aperol for.
Right.
It's lighter than... it's still bitter and red in color, but it's a lighter flavor.
Lighter, a little less alcohol. And anyway, then we add ice right to the glass. These are nice big ice cubes.
Aren't they gorgeous?
Big ice cubes are good because they melt...
slower, right, exactly.
More slower. More slowlier. Less faster.
He's the lawyer. More slowlier.
And then we were just stirring this to chill. And then I'm going to garnish, sort of playing off the citrus notes in the Aperol. I'm going to garnish with an orange twist.
I like it with a little orange twist.
Was it from
that was,
Beverly Hills Cop?
Right, the guy who played Bucky, but that was a lemon twist with the espresso.
Right, with the espresso.
Right.
Now, they pre-made some twists, but let me show you how to do it. We got a second, right? This is called...
and he usually does this directly over the drink because the oils, the essential oils, go into the coffee.
This is a channel knife. You can use a regular veggie peeler. Just face down over the drink. That way the skin will express oils into the drink and flavor it. I'm thinking this might be the flavor of an orange, because it's an orange. And that's it. Drink done.
Awesome. Cheers, honey.
Too bad.